Okay, this is Soosmac.com doing a quick SSD upgrade benchmark test. So on the right hand side is the old hard drive, and on the left side is the new upgraded machine. You're going to see real quick, it's going to boot up in like 21, 25 seconds, and boom, done, booted. Meanwhile, we're still waiting for the original hard drive. The cat is very bored watching this. And, we figure we can watch some other cat videos. This is where he jumps up and tries to knock the phone out of my hand. This one's like, can I have some more food? And he's like, give me this phone. And meanwhile, the other hard drive is still going here. So if you were wondering what exactly is an upgrade, right? So an SSD upgrade to these 2009 machines, 2010, 2008, 2007, 2011, really enhances the speed of the machine. It's substantial. This machine will continue to go. This is real time because little ghost, because it says Halloween time, little ghost on the porch. This is all real time, not slowed down, real time video. That machine is still going, right? So this is a traditional hard drive. We did upgrade the memory on the machine, but realistically, without the memory upgrade, with just the SSD upgrade, significantly enhances the speed of the machine. So we're getting a little bored here. Let's speed up the actual boot time now. Here we go. 2 minutes. Fast time. Boom, 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 boom. Here we go. And slowly, 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 it eventually gets to the boot up screen. And understand, the other one boot up in 29 seconds. There we are.